Welcome and thanks for watching. We're going to show you a little pistol, a little semi-automatic pistol chambered in a 9mm. Now this is the Canik. We done a review on the TP9 SA Model 2. This is a little bit more compact. Changed it a little bit, and the trigger I think is a little different. So we're going to give you a look at it here and let you see what you think, and show you some of the things it comes with right out of the box. So now this one comes with a pretty nice holster. It seems to be built well. It has your belt clips. Now you can slide your belt through that, or you can just slide it right over top of your belt. So, and I mean, it's pretty nice. It's got a good snug fit there. So, I mean, you know, that's a plus. You already got your holster. I like that. Now, you get two 15-round magazines. And you also get your loader. It's supposed to help you load these. Some of them do, and I'm telling you, some of them is not much help. It just takes a little bit getting used to, and but you can load the magazine if you have a problem getting those last few rounds in. And some magazines are pretty stiff. This will help a little bit. So that comes with it. Now, this one has fiber optic sights. I want to show you this if I can. Get that up there. Now, that front sight is small, boy. I mean, I really like to see those fill up more of your backside when you're looking down through it, because this is almost another deal where it's almost like a peep sight. You just kind of got to get it in there. And we'll, when we get out to the range with this, we'll see if that's a problem. Sometimes it's not. But a little bit different, this one is. Now, they did change the trigger, I think, a little bit. But let me tell you, it's still, it's got the safety trigger. It has no safety other than your trigger. And this one, the SA Model 2 had a decock on top to decock it, and this one don't. It does have your cocker indicator up here, and it also has, it shows you if there's a live round. This will be sticking up, and it lets you know that there's one in the chamber. So, and these sights, they're somewhat adjustable. You got an Allen wrench in here. We'll show you that in a minute. And you can adjust them somewhat if need be. And we're going to show you the takedown on this. Now, this one, make sure your mag's out. Make sure everything's clear. And just simply right here, you'll see this. You just pull down and you'll feel that release. And then it should, you have to snap your trigger, and that just lifts right off. And made pretty well in there, a lot of stainless steel, and it just seems to be made, constructed good in there. And I mean, for the money you're actually spending, I think the MSRP on these are somewhere around $369 to $400, according to where you're at. And now this, I like this. This is all steel. There's no polymer. That is all steel. And I like that, because I have had the ends of the little polymer pins to pop off on these. And, you know, you can get them replaced, but I mean, I like the metal better. And it also has a polished feeding trough there. I like that. And that's smooth. And it just made, it seems to be made well. especially for the money you're spending. And if it shoots like the SA Model 2, then that's going to be another plus, because it was a real good shooter. Now, to put this back on, you simply just drop it down. There's a sweet spot there. There we go. And that's about 1 inch from the back. Then just simply, when you get it dropped down on there, just pull back, and you're ready to go again. And that trigger pull, I mean, yeah, that's pretty nice. It actually feels a little bit better than the SA Model 2 in that. Now, this is about the size of your Glock 19, and I like this. It's got that rough texture there, gives you a grip, and on the front, it's got these little ridges. Kind of gives you a grip, and also on the back. Now, in the back of the box here, you have a cleaning brush. You have a swab brush, that's what I call it. And then your back strap. And it comes with one. And also, the pin is actually right here. You get your pin for your back strap. And Allen wrench, and I'd say that's for your sights. And then you get a replacement fiber Optic insert in case, you lose that one or it comes out, and I have had that to happen. They do come out. Some of them, they stay in pretty good, but now I have had those to come out. And then you got your manual. Excuse me. And we're going to raise this camera up just a little bit. Now, this is a pretty neat little manual. It's got a lot of the safety rules in the front here, but when you get on over in here, it really tells you a lot about the little pistol. And so I've kind of looked through this. It's got a lot of information in it. And I do like this. It's, okay, the caliber is 9mm. The magazine capacity, 15, and you can get an 18 round. And the barrel length is 4.19 inches. The overall length, 7.28 inches. And the weight is, let's see, the height of the gun. That would be from here is 5.28. And the weight is, or the width, 1.5 inches thick. The weight with magazine, okay, that is 28.22 ounces. So, not bad. I mean, and let me tell you, that's got a real good feel to it. And I mean, that finish, I really like that. And you got your accessory rail light here for your lights or lasers. And let me tell you, and it's got your slide release on either side. So that makes it pretty nice, if left or right-handed. And just, I like this too. It's got a lot of room in your trigger guards here. Your fingers not all globbed up there trying to get through there. Just got plenty of room. So it's just got a pretty good feel. I can't wait to get out there and put some rounds to it at our little mini range out there and to see how this little pistol performs for accuracy and reliability. And we're going to do that as soon as possible. It's going to do that today, but it started pouring the rain, so it's been doing it most of the day. So we'll get out there as soon as possible. We wanted to show you this and tell you a little bit about it. And guys, we appreciate you watching. We thank you for all those views and comments. And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. And give us a big thumbs up at the end of the video if you like it. It seems to help. And we'll see you all the next time on The Walk Without. Thank you ever so much for watching. We appreciate it. See you out at the range.